vaginal suppositories. We give you medicines by oral route, that is, you take a tablet. It could be in the form of a syrup, and sometimes we also give you something to be inserted by the vaginal route. The moment we say vaginal insertion, many patients, especially those who have not used it earlier, they suddenly get very worried and anxious. So just like there's an oral route, similarly there's a vaginal route and also anal route. Today we'll be talking about the vaginal route. So there are usually three reasons why we give you this. One is to counter infections. Secondly, for infertility, to help in the treatment for conception. And third is to sustain the pregnancy and help in supporting the baby. Now today we'll see how to go about the insertion, because the patients are really concerned on this. So there are sometimes these suppositories, they are like this. You can see they are the oval shape, very easy for insertion. So you have to just hold them between your fingers and the thumb and insert them. We'll be showing you the position for insertion subsequently. It has got a gelatin or a cocoa butter cover which melts in the vagina. So after insertion, better to lie down for some time, maybe 10-15 minutes, so that it dissolves and the medicine is absorbed. Sometimes you may get a little white discharge. Don't get worried. It is the cover which is coming out. Then there are also some vaginal tablets. Here there's an inserter. So it has got a place to put the tablet, and there's a piston which you can pull. So what you do is that you take the tablet, put it here, pull the piston and just insert it in the vagina. It should go almost fully in, equivalent to your 1 finger length. And then you push the piston. So once you push the piston, then the tablet will go inside. It will not come out. Sometimes patients are worried that even after getting up after 10-15 minutes, they are worried that it may come out when they walk around. It doesn't happen. The body absorbs it. Sometimes they are worried where it will go. Vagina, it ends up like a blind pouch. So you don't have to worry. It will be in the vagina high up and will be absorbed for the function that it is meant to be doing. Another precaution is better to insert it at night, and also avoid sexual intercourse, especially if you have taken it for the purpose of infection. Otherwise, you have to follow the doctor's advice when it is being taken for infertility. So this is very simple. You don't have to worry. It's not messy at all. It's not scary. Once you insert one tablet, you'll find it very easy. You'll be very comfortable with the route. It doesn't get unnecessarily absorbed all over the body. It does the work where it is required to do. So don't worry on your doctor's advice. It's very simple procedure, and we are also showing you the 3 ways how you can insert. So let's see the positions in which you can use the vaginal suppository. One can be that you're lying on the bed and your knees are bent and you can push it inside. The other method is that you can just take a chair or a stool, put 1 foot on the stool or the chair and 1 foot down, or even on the toilet seat. And one method is just put both your legs apart and bend down and push it in. So these are very simple ways to use the pessary.